Today, I'm going to show the exact strategy I use every day to find high probability trades like these using daily bias, multi-time frame analysis, session liquidity, and lower time frame confirmation. And coming to every trading session, the first thing I do every morning is to determine my daily bias. So on daily time frame, I mark my key levels and important POIs. So as you can see here, after price taking the liquidity above the structural high, and then after mitigating this supply, price started moving bearish. So my daily bias today is bearish. Next, I use H1 time frame for marking my market structure and to confirm my daily bias. So let's mark some key levels. So this is an important demand. See the reaction. Oh my God. So this is a very important key level which will invalidate our any sell ideas. Let's mark the market structure. We can see that price is clearly making new lower lows, right? But haven't tapped this demand yet. As of now, the price is still trading in this area. We can easily sell, targeting the demand. And let's mark this liquidity low also. So now our daily time frame and H1 both are aligned, saying they are bearish. Next, M15. I use M15 to mark our intraday levels, key POIs. Look at this. Price swept this liquidity structural high. So let's mark this inducement here. And then it started moving bearish. So the interesting part here is when it did. You can see this box, right? So this is my Asian session, and this gray area is London session, and this another box here is New York session. So after a price swept this liquidity, it is clearly showing the bearish control. So now all the three higher time frames are aligned and are saying to sell, sell, sell. So here comes the final part, the lower time frame confirmation. So our New York session started here, and let's look for any sell opportunity the market going to present. So let's see how price will develop from here. As you can see, the market is still in bear's control, but we don't have any lower time frame confirmation yet. Let's play. As you can see, the market is struggling to push higher and it's continuously coming lower and lower. Let's mark this demand. Oof, oof. See how beautiful this is. Price swept this high and then it gave us the bearish breakout structure. Also look at these M1 engulfing candles. How beautiful this is. So here goes our entry. Stop loss above this high. And did you remember this low of previous day that we are going to target this demand that I mentioned on H1 time frame? So let's target this low of previous day, which is approximately 1:3 RR. And let's see how it plays. Oof. Did you see the volume coming in? That's what happens when we are on the right side of the market. And let's see how much time it took. Approx 30 minutes. Beautiful. So in this trade, we use daily bias, multi-time frame analysis, session liquidity, and lower time frame confirmation, leading us to a beautiful 1:3 high probability trade. So guys, that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you'd like to learn this strategy in depth, check out the link in the description. Thank you.